Welcome to Lesson 3 of Kennedy's Virtual Lessons. Today's target is I can subtract mixed numbers using common denominators. Very simple lesson. We had it today, and we're going to go in and I'm going to give you two simple ways to do this. So let's jump on over here and get started with our lesson. Subtracting mixed numbers with common denominators. We've got 3 2/5 minus 1 3/5. This method is very simple in remembering what a fraction is as a whole number. So the first thing we want to do is we see 2/5 minus 1/3, 1 3/5. Let's move this down here for us. Line it up, makes everything easier. Can I do 2/5 minus 3/5? The answer is no. Why? 2 smaller than 3. Simple, right? Can't take 3 away from 2. So we're going to borrow. And in this borrowing, I'm going to cross out 3 because we don't need it anymore. And we are going to change that to a 2 because we're going to borrow 1 whole. Now, as you can see over here, I've already borrowed 1 whole. But what am I going to do with that 1 whole? That is the question we have to ask ourselves. And we're going to take that 1 whole and we're going to change it to 5/5. Why 5/5, you might be asking? Well, if you remember, any number over itself as a fraction is equal to 1. And I chose 5 because our denominator in our original problem for both fractions is already 5. Very simple to understand and do. So I'm going to take that 5/5 and I'm going to add it to the 2/5 that already exists in our original number. So I'm going to take the 2/5 plus our new 5/5. And when you add it together, you just 2 plus 5 is 7/5. So I'm going to take that 7/5. I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to remove our original fraction of 2/5. And it's now 7/5. So now our new number is 2 7/5 minus 1 3/5. Now this we can add very simple. We can subtract. We're going to start with the fractions, 7/5 minus 3/5. Since the denominator is the same, just do 7 minus 3. That gives you a 4. And what's it over? Well, it's going to be over the same denominator, over 5. After that, you take your whole numbers, 2 minus 1, and that gives us a whole number of 1. So your final answer is 1 4/5. Now this process is the one that explains what happens to the 1 when we cross it out. But there is a little bit of a quick trick that I showed you all today, and we're going to go over that quick trick right here. So to start out the same, we have our two fractions, bring it down, line them up, very nice and easy. But in this quick trick, I'm simply going to take out our 3, just like before. Our 3 is going to be removed, and we're going to change our 3 into a 2. After that, I'm going to take this number right here, our denominator of the fraction, and add it to the numerator of the fraction. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So our new fraction becomes 7/5. If you look back, it's the same as our previous one now. So it works. 7/5 minus 3/5. Look at it again. Simple. 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. With the denominator of 5. So 4/5. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. And your answer's done. A much simpler and a much faster method. But both methods will work. There were other methods that we went over today. And those methods were in regards to drawing a picture. And you can do that. Just draw yourself some circles and create a fraction pieces that you need to. So it is time to move to today's math link. And after today's math link, we'll have our first set of names to announce. So today's math link is very simple. There's not even a wrong answer. Simply provide your answer and tell me what your favorite way to add or subtract fractions is. When you've got that, put it in the comments or bring it to me tomorrow. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and read to you the first video that we created, Answers to the Math Link. And I got my first response here is from Double C, or she put CC. And that is, great video, hope you make more. Well, not really an answer to the math link, CC, but I decided I'd go ahead and read it. Then we've got Louie, who decided on answer is a mixed number. And if you don't remember, the question that day was, What is a number? What do we call a term that has a whole number and a fraction? Just so y'all know. So the answer is a mixed number. So Louis says a mixed number. Crazy C, or YouTube name KCW453, gave us the right answer. Apple, not sure who you are, Apple, but thank you, got the right answer. We got Bina, I'm assuming that's how you say the name, Bina. Supergirl, or Supergirl 2090, it was on YouTube, I believe. Spider Monkey 496. Viv, Charlie, and Salix. All these people gave us the right answer for that first video. The second video's correct answers will be on tomorrow's video, and I've got them right here already with me, but I'll wait till then. So, enjoy your night, enjoy your day, and hope you all are ready to go tomorrow. We'll be seeing you all. Signing off.